Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change Tesla Model S wiper blades. Park the car, turn the wipers off, and lift the arm gently away from the glass. Unlock the blade clip and slide the old blade free with steady pressure. Align the new blade's adapter, snap it into the hook until it clicks, then lower the arm slowly. Finish by testing both wipers on low and high speeds to ensure a secure fit. Before you begin, have all parts ready and a clear workspace. Put the car in park and switch wipers off at the stalk. Use a soft cloth and cleaner to protect the windshield and the wiper arms while you work. Wear gloves for extra grip and to keep oils off parts. Inspect the arm joints and blade adapters so you can match the replacement style quickly and avoid ordering the wrong adapter. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers to keep small parts organized while I work, and they make meal prep easy between jobs. They seal tight, stack neatly, and save time when you carry screws or bolts. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Start by lifting the wiper arm slowly and securing it so it does not spring back. Press the clip tab to release the old blade and slide it off the hook carefully. Position the new blade so the adapter engages the arm, then push until you hear a click. Lower the arm steadily to the glass to avoid impact. Finally, run the wipers through a test cycle to confirm a tight, streak-free installation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.